Jamie, boss, have you seen my wife? Eh? Mumu, where is my wife?
Hey, she coming. She's not coming.
I don't blame you. Will you tell me where she is? Because she's overfeeding you, Abby? Eh? Where's my wife? If you like, hide you. Hide. I will find you. You understand? I will find. Okay, I'm going inside. I'm going inside. If you like, hide. You go and meet me inside this house.
The sun has gone into the air to rest. It may come outside very soon.
JB, thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'm really so grateful.
So you think you're smarter now, huh?
Oh, wait! Please don't catch me, please.
JB,
Olga,
continue.
hi!
Continue. If you like, hide under the ground, I will find you. Me, I'll find you. Not my house. Eh? I will find you. Eh? You like, hide. Hide anywhere. Is this? Is that not? Come here, Joe. Have I not found you? Come here. Have I not found you? Come here. Have I not found you? Yes, you have. So what is hiding and see? See where you ended up. Alright, tell me you're sorry. What's Tell me you're sorry.
I'm sorry.
You're sorry, Guinea.
Okay. I'm sorry, Lord. Austin.
I don't know. If you're truly sorry, kiss me.
Oh, I see. So that's what you really want.
I don't understand. Kiss me if you're truly sorry, Joe.
Okay, let me just speak to you. Oh my goodness. I'm telling you. Did you notice the guy's jacket? Oh my god. Yes. Wow. I think this guy is going to give me an issue. I noticed it too. Yes. Okay, we have to park. Just yes, please park. God. Oh my goodness. Oh my god! I can't believe this. I can't believe this. I can't believe this. Okay. Oh no. Okay, just park. We can call it mechanic or something, or you know. Oh my god! Not again! Not again! Not again! Oh. So now what? Let's check it out. Come on. What am I supposed to do? I don't even know what to check. I'm not a mechanic. Come on, baby. I'm not a mechanic. I don't even know what to do. What time are we having this? Oh, this is just. I can just imagine this. Like, did you take what? Oh my god. Our security man checked this every morning. Since this car went to the mechanic since 2 days ago, it's been acting so funny. Are you kidding me? Now I have to call my husband because I am so clueless. I don't even know what to do, what to touch. I'm not a mechanic. Let me call my husband.
Hello?
Hello. Hello, baby.
Honey, really? Okay. Just wait there, okay? I'm not far from you. Yeah, wait there, I'm coming.
Okay. Is he coming? He said he's coming.
Hi, Jennifer. Good evening. How's work today?
It's well. Then this. Baby.
Yes.
You know what I told you the other day?
Yes,
That this car is going to give me an issue, but you said no. Now look at this.
Let's try and put the keys in the ignition. Let's see if it starts, okay?
Okay. Is it starting?
No, it's not. It's not.
Oh!
Honey, come.
Baby, I'm tired.
You know what? Take my car. I'll just wait here. You can drop Jennifer on the way. This place is not safe.
Come on, baby. I'll just wait for you.
No. Don't worry. I insist. Just go home, okay? I'll wait for my mechanic to come and check this out.
Oh, thank you. That's so kind of you.
You're welcome, Jennifer.
Let me get our bag.
Okay, yeah, get the bag. Sorry about this, okay?
It's okay.
Let me call my mechanic. Let me even know.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So I'll just see you at home.
Yeah, I'll see you.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
Girl, your husband is special. I know I've told you this before, but come on. Every morning if you wake up and you thank God for life, the next thing on your list should be thanking God for your husband. Because come on, girl.
My darling, it's not because you're just saying it. Truly, every day I wake up in the morning, the first thing I do is to thank God for giving me the kind of man that I have as a husband.
It should be.
It just feels like God has answered all my prayers. What else am I even really asking for?
He did.
Oh, God.
See, if it were my husband when he was in Nigeria before he traveled, he would just tell me to fix it.
Are you serious?
In fact, the highest he could do is maybe send a mechanic or something. Any day I hear that you guys quarrel, I'm definitely blaming you.
Oh, wait. So I'm the chronic troublemaker. Oh, that's what you're saying, right?
Of course, it's everything.
Okay, let me just clear. You're coming down now.
Oh, no, I'm just joking now.
You come down to joke.
I'm just joking.
Oh my goodness.
But babe, joke aside, you're really lucky.
I am.
You are really lucky, trust me.
I know, right? To be very honest with you, I'm just grateful to God for everything. The only thing I'm just asking God for right now is for you, baby. Although my husband doesn't really complain about it, it seems like it doesn't bother him. But of course I know it does. I'm just tired. Like, it's not really easy, trust me.
Don't worry. God will do it, okay? And soon. Alright?
Yeah. Thank you.
You have the right partner, the right man in your corner. No, don't leave my house, please. Let me start going.
Oh my gosh.
Wakey. Rise and shine, Sleeping Beauty. Hey, wakey.
Oh my God. Oh, baby, what time is it? Good morning, baby.
Morning. It's a little bit after 9.
After 9?
Yes.
Oh my god, I'm 1 hour late.
No, baby, chill. You're already 1 hour late, like you said. By the time you take a shower, get ready, hit the road, you get to service late. Service will already be over.
Why didn't you wake me up early?
I'm sorry.
Like I really wanted to go to church.
I know, but you know we were both exhausted last night. I almost didn't have my bath. Just come and have your breakfast. Toasted bread and eggs with a cup of chocolate. It's your favorite.
Are you not so sweet?
I know.
Am I not so lucky to have you as my husband?
You're a sweet mouth.
Thank you so much, baby.
You're welcome.
This looks so cute.
And it's yummy too. Trust me.
Have it.
Okay, so have your breakfast and go into the shower and take your bath. I'll come give you a helping hand. That's what's on the menu.
Baby, a helping hand.
Yep.
The last time you gave me a helping hand, I know what happened. Like I almost fainted in the bedroom. Baby, don't worry. I can help myself.
Today, I don't want you to do anything for yourself, okay? I got you.
You got me.
Yep, I got you. So let me go. I need to go clean up the kitchen, the living room, and I'll be back.
Aww.
Don't go anywhere.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. I love you.
I love you too.
Whoa. This looks really yummy. Let me have a bite. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait.
My love for you.
Open this gate! What is wrong with you? Do you know how long I've been standing outside here banging at this gate?
Madam, they shit! I know there is a boy. I don't hear anything. You don't shout.
Close your mouth, you dey shit. You won't tell me say dey shit. You won't put the shit inside my mouth. But I go and carry my bag inside house, don't jare. Your oga dey?
You know there.
Your madam dey?
You know there.
Key dey?
Key there.
Bring my bag, go jare, make I enter house.
That's what they shout. Hey! Jesus! Jesus! Madam, see the boy carry come. Hey! You can't live for this place. Hey! You can't talk madam from madam house. Hey! What don't do?
Gate man, good job, good job. That's my special bag. Come, bring those ones here, okay? Okay? Keep those ones here. Good job, good job, good job, good job, good job, good job. Move. Remaining the very fine ones. Move. Go. Hurry. Good job. Good. Move it.
Sister, this is your bag. It's very heavy. I bring all of them. This heavy bag, I brought all of them. I swear it's very heavy. Oh, my back is paining me. Sorry, you see this place? Please, I finish. I need to go and buy all those pain relief. Maybe my strength will come back.
How is that my business?
I thought you would just support me now. Help the ministry. I'm in pain, serious pain. This my waste. I've lived here and come here. In fact, all these places like this have gone. Like nothing is here again. It's just finished. If you just help me now with small thing, I'll be able to gather this, you know.
You're mad. You're not well. So, this man, is it these small bags that you carry inside that is making you bend your waist like an old man? Your mates are inside markets using wheelbarrow to carry bags of garri and rice to load inside trailers, and they're not complaining.
And you are here, opening gates and closing gates, bending your waist because of this small bags that you carry. Please get out of this place. Your body odor is blocking the fresh air. You have done your job. Get out. Let's see you see fresh air, please. Keep going. Move. Go. You have even tried. You are here opening and closing gates.
Madam, welcome. That's make the guys are born that time for that side, but you know, hear me. You know, say they send Satan from heaven come down with some fellow angels, wicked ones. Some come for inside water, some fall for inside forest. But they get one, that one dey inside.
JB,
Madam,
I don't understand you.
you don't know. You know, there's official inside this house. She don't come.
JB! Wait, so is that my husband's sister you're calling a devil?
No.
JB, be careful. Be very careful. Be very, very careful.
Madam. Now why do they help people? Now why? I want to help you. Just be careful. Because me I know say at least one devil dey here. I don't call am Satan sharp, but I call am devil. I agree. I mean I know say Satan dey here.
Sister. Wow.
Mimi! Hey!
So when did you come in?
I just came in. Is this you? Yes. Ha! You're still slim and flat.
Sister, do you want me to get fat?
Are you a girl? Yeah? You are a married woman. You're supposed to have some weight and big stomach. So, when is your husband?
He's not back from work yet.
Oh. Anyway, I was ejected from my house. So I decided to come and stay here with you until I can find a new place.
Oh, that's fine. That's fine. Have you had something to eat?
Not at all.
Okay, let me rush to the kitchen. I'll make you something really nice, okay?
Okay.
I'll be back.
Welcome! Thank you.
Did you use white Maggi in this? I don't like white Maggi. It makes me fall. What I will do?
Your water.
Water? No. I need mineral. Soft drink. I don't eat without mineral. I need it so that the food will digest very well.
Sister, we don't have soft drink in the house.
Why?
Because we don't take sugar.
People this matter. Who told this sugar? Sugar. Do you know when I started taking sugar? I've been taking sugar from when I was little, even with your husband. We've been taking sugar. Up to this age, we still take sugar. Nothing has happened to us. Stop believing all this sugar. It doesn't matter.
Okay.
Well, let me even ask you. So this is when you and your husband come back every day. It's not it. He's not even back. It's alright.
Sister, if you please excuse me, I have to go change now. I'll just drop your water here in case you want to have water. Or should I just drop it here in front of you?
Take it back. Keep it there. I don't want water.
Now that I am here now, people have to go and be drinking the mineral.
Yes, sister.
There's no time I eat. I will only salt you.
Okay.
I need it. I'm going to rest. Take your bath. When I'm done eating, I'll come upstairs. I need to discuss something with you.
Thank you very much. Bye.
Bye-bye. Mimi, there's something I've been meaning to ask you. It's heavy in my heart, but I have to say it. Why have you not been able to give my brother a child? Why? It's either there's something wrong with him or you. So it's better for you to tell me now. I'm a woman like you, so that you and I can find a solution together.
Well, thank you so much for your concern. Just like us, I know you're also very bothered and concerned about this situation.
Very.
I just want you to know that I and my husband, we've done everything. We've been to different hospitals. We've run so many tests. They keep saying the same thing, that we are okay, that we should be patient, that we will have a baby. I don't know.
They are not telling you people the truth. They are not telling both of you the truth. If they are, you should have had a baby for him. This is 3 years of marriage. 3 good years of marriage. Eh? What is happening? Unless there's something you are not telling me. Unless that. But let me even ask you. Are you sure my brother's local government area is working very well?
Local government area? I don't understand.
You understand? How can you say you do not understand? Are you a baby? I mean his manhood. Is he functioning well? Does he stand? Or does he stand and fall? You have to tell me so that I will know where I'm going to start from.
Sister, it's okay. He's working very well.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Then what about you? Are you sure you don't have a hot womb?
Sister, I do not have a hot womb. At least the doctor said I'm okay. We've done so many tests. It's not my fault.
Okay. If you say so, I'm just worried. I am so worried. He's the only brother that I have. I'm his only sister. He's my only brother. I'm like his mother. No other person, no. Me, I'm married. And I have my own children. But they belong to my husband. If anything happens, my brother's lineage will just close. It will not be good. That's why I'm very concerned and worried. For instance, you've been back since. He's not back. When will he now come back so that 2 of you will lie on this beautiful bed and mold this baby together? Look at it. That is why I'm worried. I'm concerned though. This thing is bothering me too much. It's bothering me. We need to find this solution. Ah! My brother! My brother!
Sister.
Hey!
Sister, welcome.
Thank you.
It's true, you are here.
I'm here.
When JB said you were here, I had to check the visitor's room. I didn't find you.
Visitor's room, Ke? What will I be doing there when you have this beautiful room? I've been here since talking to our wife.
Our beautiful wife.
Our beautiful wife.
Sister, why didn't you tell me about your rent issues? I would have sent you the money now.
Rent issues? No, don't bother about sending me money for that place. So I don't want to renew the rent there. That place is bad. My brother, if you see the robbery that goes on that our street, I just said it's better for me to just pack out. Okay. Let me pack out. And besides, this is a dry season. I don't want to look for any house now. Once it's rainy season, I can now find a place to avoid flooding. So I said, let me pack my things and come and stay in my brother's house and take my time.
You're welcome.
I can spend time with you and our wife.
Sister, you know you're welcome anytime.
I know.
Your brother's house is your house.
It's your house. It is my house. Let me leave you so you can spend some time with your wife. No hug her very well. I know you have been hugging her for 3 years, but you see today's hugging is to be very, very special. Special hugging. Hug her, Let me wait for you downstairs. I still want to see you downstairs.
Okay, no problem. I'll come and see you downstairs.
Come, let's talk.
Welcome,
Hey. Hug her very well ahead. Hug her. My brother.
I'll come and see you downstairs. Sister, please, no. Please. Let's not go there. That will put pressure on my wife now. And I won't like it. Please.
Augustine, shut up when I am talking to you. Even though you're grown up now, does not mean I don't know what is good for you. I've always made decisions for you all your life until you got married 3 years ago. Listen, I am not saying she's not capable, but you can just try another.
Sister, she's capable. She's capable.
It's all right. I am happy to hear that. I'm fine now.
Thank you.
I'm sure you're very tired. You can go ahead and retire.
Sister, nothing. Don't worry, I'm fine. How are you now? How have you been? Are you reconciling with your husband?
No. He has remarried.
Oh. Sister, I still blame you for letting your 2 children go live with them. Don't you miss them?
I miss them. But what can I do? At least let them stay with him for now. After all, if I take care of them myself, they will still go back to their father and take care of him. So let him do the suffering alone.
Sister. Okay. So what are you doing now with yourself?
As you can see, I'm taking very good care of myself and I'm happy.
Any plans on remarrying?
Well, am I going to marry myself?
Of course not.
But of course, if a man asks me to marry him, I will. Do I have a boyfriend?
Oh.
And if he proposes, why not?
Okay, that's fine then. Sister, so let me retire now, eh?
It's fine.
I've tried.
You have.
Do have a pleasant night, okay?
I will.
I'll see you in the morning.
And you
Okay.
too.
Sister, see the bread, sugar, milk, everything dey inside, they complete.
What is this? Bread? What is this? Who do you like this for? Sliced bread? No. I don't like sliced bread at all. You have to take it back. You have to take it back. Ah! I like this kind of bread, the one that I can use my hand and control. So that when I cut it, I will use my hand and control it. That's the type that I like. What is this?
Sugar now.
JB, who do you buy this kind of sugar? Me? Granulated sugar? No. Listen to me. You have to return this. You buy me cube sugar. Cube sugar, the one that I will put inside my tea and melt it by myself so I can control it. I don't want this. Return this thing back. Quick. Buy me the normal bread. The one that I can use my hand and cut.
Sister, for tell me since now. Tell me this thing since now.
But I just informed you now. Take this from me so I return it and bring back the type that I want.
Sister, I will not collect this thing. No. This thing, I bought this thing for that supermarket now. That supermarket far.
They are mad. You too, you are mad. Why don't they collect it? Better go return these things and bring back the ones that I want. Meanwhile, why even took you so long?
Sister, that place far. You see that, you know this is an estate now, and that place, that supermarket is not in our estate. It's entire myself. So okay, maybe I'll use that your change mine and enter keke go.
Don't try it. Better bring back my change. I know exactly how much you're going to bring back to me. Use your leg. Don't you have legs? Run like a security man that you are. I'm very hungry. Hurry up! They send ordinary gate man to you a message. They will hurry up and come back. If they send you, you'll be crying like tortoise. Rubbish.
Let me say, I cannot eat that bread. Go buy another bread for me. Who see others it? See, I don't take that sugar. Look, see sugar I buy. I buy this sugar I give you, Felicia. You say I cannot take it. Go and return it. You see this sugar? You go use it. Which kind? Look. I don't like you. God no. If not for my madam, Mama Oga, who you be? No. Who you be? I'll just walk you out, send you away from that place. I tell you, get out! I am the chief security of this place. I studied criminology for many years. I know. Tell me, don't provoke me, oh. You stress me about that. I'll let God I look, you not be God. Rubbish. What a cricum acravantus ecredandas. Me? My lecturer run away because I'm a very...
JB, how now? You didn't have time to wash my car.
Okay. Sister sent me out very early in the morning to go and buy something for her. And I'm just coming back. See, the whole thing she sent to me like this is this thing. Sister just...
Who is your sister? Eh? Who is your sister?
Sister, you take this bed though, and this because they said they will not change it, and I've tried to beg them. Besides, I begged those people. It's not because of the name said, don't beat me.
Nonsense. We are going back there. Augustine, take us there.
Sister, wait. What is it?
Imagine this your goalkeeper. Eh? I sent this your goalkeeper a message since morning. I was very hungry. I told him to go and buy me bread, sugar, milk, and sardine. Let me eat breakfast because your wife have not cooked anything. Eh? This boy left since morning and came back with sliced bread, granulated sugar. Augustine, you know me. You know your sister. I don't eat sliced bread. I like the normal bread, the one I cut and have control over, so that I can dip it the way I want inside my tea. Secondly, you now bought me granulated sugar. Look at me and look at granulated sugar. Have you ever seen me take granulated sugar before? You know the cube sugar? The one I have control over, so that I can put it inside the tea and turn it and control it the way I want it. And I told this your goalkeeper to return it. Since then, up till now, he's just coming back and telling me they refuse to take it back.
Sister, but you don't tell me this now. You should have told me before I even go and buy this in the first place. You tell me now.
JB, it's okay, sister. If it's that supermarket, once an item leaves that supermarket, they will not accept it.
They are mad.
It's one of their rules. Please, just do this for my sake. Manage it. When I'm coming back, I'll buy you bread that is non-sliced, soft. You will like it. Then I'll buy you cube sugar. Just do what you like. Please, for my sake, please. Please manage.
Alright, thank you, sir. Thank you. Let me keep this one.
Why are you thanking him? Come on! My bread. Longer truths. You are thanking him.
Baby, open the gate for me. Let me go out.
What is this? Who did this? I did.
Are you well rested?
Yeah. So, I don't know if I should wait for the one in my hand or the one cooking.
Well, the one cooking will be ready pretty soon.
Okay.
And the other one, you can have it much later.
Okay, wait.
Yeah.
So I'll just go back and rest, okay?
Okay.
Let me know when the food is ready.
Of course, I'll let you know.
Okay.
Fully. Bye.
Bye.
Sister, I am done cooking. Can I serve yours?
I am not hungry.
Okay.
If I get hungry, I'll make food for myself.
Okay.
Meanwhile, that your idiot has refused to return my change.
Which idiot?
JB, your goatkeeper.
Oh. Okay.
Someone you trust so much can hurt you. Even your own love can betray you. Life is a lesson. Life is a teacher. Life is something that's so
Goatkeeper! Goatkeeper! Goatkeeper!
Who goes? Ah! Oh! Sister, why? Sister, why? Ah! See, just wake me up. I was in a deep sleep. It's not good now. It's not good. It's not good.
It's not good. It's not good, eh?
It's not good now. Of course, now I would have done my ancestors like this. These people just die.
What are you waiting for? It's better for you, oh. That is the best thing that will happen to you. If I were you, you would have joined your ancestors a long time ago. Now you're here doing goatkeeper. Give me my change, oh Jare.
Ah. Just 200 naira change. No change is just 200 naira. Ah! Ah!
So you even hold am? Eh? You hold am?
Let them be peace.
You want hold am?
I talk and say they don't send you come down. The devil na come. Alright,
Thank you.
Madam. Hey, thank you. Hey.
If it's not enough for you, just let me know. Okay?
Thank you, madam. One dollar for madam. Tell me why God no go bless you. But I tell you why God no go bless you. This one just come here, carry my slippers, hit me. But I still got punish you on a statement though. Devil will punish you for me. In fact, oh no, I'm doing it together. Angels, go. Which of the angels? Wow.
Hey, honey, what's wrong? Your face doesn't look bright. What's happening?
Honey, I'm tired. I'm really so tired.
Hey, what's up? Talk to me. What's wrong?
I'm tired.
You're tired.
Baby, I don't know how to report this to you, so I don't get misunderstood. And I cannot bear this anymore.
Talk to me. Talk to me. What's wrong?
Baby, I would be really grateful if you can please help me talk to your sister. Baby, I'm tired. Like, it's becoming just so much for me to bear. I'm not pleased with the way she just keeps messing up everywhere. She'll cook in the kitchen. She'll make noodles. She won't wash the pots. I would really want to go tidy up the kitchen myself. She will take that same food to the dining table to go eat. She'll leave the plates there. She won't even bother packing up the plates. She'll eat in the morning in the dining, she won't pack the plates. In the afternoon, she'll eat in the sitting room. She will leave the plates there, she won't even pack it. I will be the one to go pack them. Baby, this thing keeps going on and on and on every day. I find myself tidying up the house every second.
Hey.
Baby, listen, at this point, it's becoming really draining. I can't take this anymore. I can't. Like I can't. And I'm trying to refrain myself from talking to her about this. So it doesn't sound like I'm trying to be rude to her. I don't want to be rude to your sister. I'm trying to avoid that part. I hope you understand where I'm coming from, right?
Yeah, I understand, okay? I really understand you. I thank you so much for not letting your temper get the best of you. Thank you. But please, I beg of you, just keep respecting her. Okay, please, do this for me. I will definitely have a word with her. I will talk to her about this. Please. Is there anything you need? Is that all?
It's okay. Let's go and eat.
Okay, let's go and eat. Let's go. I'm so hungry.
What is going on?
Honey, don't worry. I'll take care of it myself, okay? Hey. I will clear it up myself. Just don't worry. I'll do that.
You asked to see me.
Yes, sister. I'm sure you know that we're not many in this house. So the house chores falls squarely on my wife. And she's doing too much in the office already. Plus the house chores. I would beg you to please make things easy for her. At least clean up after you're done eating and put the things back in their normal place. Please, sister, please. I'm begging you.
My brother. Augustine.
Sister.
Call your wife.
I should call my wife. Why?
Call your wife.
Sister, there's no need for that.
Mimi! Mirabel! Yes, sister. Come on. Your attention is needed. Okay. Come on. Sit beside your husband. There's a matter at hand that we all need to sit down as a family and discuss. So I asked your husband to call you. You need to be here.
Okay.
So that we can talk about it as one good family. Your husband said that I know that you are the one that told your husband that anytime I eat, I leave the plates lying around. I dirty the living room, even dirty the staircase, dirty upstairs, dirty the kitchen, that I do not clean up when I eat. I don't even wake up to sweep. I don't do anything. That you're the only one that work in this house, that clean up, and by the time you finish, you're tired and exhausted and nobody's helping you.
Sister, I don't understand what you're talking about. Baby.
Sister, when did I tell you my wife told me this?
I am not angry. No, I am not angry. I am just saying that, see, I am not used to it. Yes, in my house, it's my kids and my house help that clean up the house. They do all the chores. When I eat, they carry the plates. They wake up in the morning, they sweep the house, take care of everywhere. Everywhere will be shining and clean. I am not used to it. That's why. So I understand your grievances and your anger. So I said, let me tell your husband that I know that you're the one that told him. But if you don't mind, I have a suggestion. Why don't you get a house help? Someone that can be helping her do all these things. Eh? Our wife needs to rest too. She can't be doing everything by herself. I understand how she feels. She needs help. Eh? So that at least if she says come, the person will come. If you say do this, the person will do this. Everywhere will be good and everybody will be happy. Let's give her a help. Eh? It's better.
Honey, what do you think about it?
I think it's a very good idea.
Oh.
But the issue is, how do we get a good house help from a good agency? That's the problem.
Which agency? Forget about those agencies. They are all criminals. There is this place where I stayed before. That place that I used to live. There is this particular house. Any type of house help that I need, they will give it to me.
Wow.
I know them. Yes. Young, old, big, fat, short, any type. Good, bad. But this time around, I will get a very good person. They'll come and help us in this house. We need it. Eh? We need it. You understand? So don't worry yourself about it.
Okay, sister. Okay? Sounds like a good idea. Please help us get one now.
Okay.
Thank you very much, sister. I really do appreciate this kind gesture.
It's okay. It's for us. It's for our family. It's good.
Sister, thank you.
It's very good.
Okay, so you'll have to excuse me.
Yes,
okay.
Go back to your work. Eh? My brother, you can go and rest. Do you need my help now?
Oh, it's okay, sister.
Okay. Are you sure?
Of course, I'm very sure.
Okay. Thank you. Hey.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Baby, I'm inside.
Okay. You can help us if she doesn't want me to help her. Hey. Hey.
Life is a teacher. Life is something that's so. Oh, na na na. Oh, be careful the things you do. Oh.
Hey. My brother.
Sister, welcome.
Thank you. Lucy. Stand here. Augustine. I'm back. Finally back.
Sister, welcome.
Thank you. Lucy, this is Yoga, my brother. Eh? His name is Augustine. Sir Augustine. That is his wife. Eh? Madam Mirabel. Eh?
Good evening, sir. Good evening, ma.
Good evening. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Good.
You're welcome.
Thank you, ma.
You're welcome to our home. You're here to help my wife. So anything she needs, you help her do it, okay?
Okay.
And if you do not perform well, she'll fire you. Honey, do you have anything you want to lay down for her, like rules?
Well, I don't think I have anything to lay down for now. Maybe much later I'll do that. But for now, one thing you have to know is that I do not tolerate any form of relations at all in this house. Okay? And then secondly, if you need anything at all, or you have any issues, come to me. Do not go to Ogao. Okay, so let me show you to your room.
Okay, ma. You're welcome. When you bend very well. Bend again. Good. Well, you like her, eh?
It's okay, sister. As long as she's done.
She's hard working and picks the best. You know what I can do for you?
Trust sister.
At least your wife will be happy now. Everybody will be happier. It's good. Let me go up and freshen up.
Okay, sister. Thank you very much.
No problem, that's all. Alright, too much walking like this. You should laugh. Hey, yeah.
Hello. You know, he did probably introduce me to you very well. You see, I have a degree in the university as I studied criminology. So, and I've been in this house. I'm the chief security of this whole place for about 5 years now, and more to come. You know, anything you want, anywhere you want to know about this whole place, just come to me. Don't be afraid. Just come. I promise to take care of you. Yeah.
Sir, my name is Lucy. Good. I have OND in hospitality.
Now you're talking. That's a good one. I can help you, but anyway, why are you working in the hospital? I can just help you link you up to one of my people, one of my.
Sir, hospitality is not about medical care. It's about hotel management and services.
Oh! You didn't give me that. I didn't hear you well. That's the thing. You should have said.
Sister! Why are you discussing them?
It's over, JB.
Who is JB?
Sister, good morning. Hey, this time is not working very well. Sister, good.
Good afternoon. Okay, it is your afternoon. Good morning. Good morning to you too.
Actually, I was just walking around there, trying to check in if everything is well arranged in this place. I have to be sure, as the chief secretary of this place, I have to be sure that everything is well set and in proper condition. Yes, okay, it's good, it's fine. Nothing to fix. Don't worry, it's fine. I'll go.
Lucy.
Sister.
I do not want to see you anywhere near that gate man.
Okay, sister.
Do you hear me?
Oh. Sorry, sister. Sorry.
Someone you trust so much can hurt you. Even your own blood can betray you. Life is a lesson. Life is a teacher. Life is something that's so. Oh, na na na. Oh. Be careful the things you do. Oh. Be careful the things you do. Sometimes your action and the way you do things can put you into trouble. Sometimes your action and the way you do things can hit your back. Oh. And sometimes some people are not, they really made you see inside them. Some people can be so dangerous. Oh yeah. Someone you trust so much can hurt you. Even your own blood can betray you. Life is a lesson. Life is a teacher. Life is something that's so. Oh, na na na. Oh. Be careful the things you do. Oh. Be careful the things you do. Sometimes your action and the way you do things can put you into trouble. Sometimes your action and the way you do things can hit your back. Oh. And sometimes some people are not, they really made you see inside them. Some people can be so dangerous. Oh yeah.
Lucy.
Good morning, ma.
Good morning. What are you wearing?
It's my nightwear, ma.
Take off the
Ma, the nightwear is short and transparent.
Take off the wrapper. That's better. Feel free. Give it to me. Give it to me. Turn your back. Lucy, this is your house. You see the way your nightgown is? That's the best. Eh? Don't ever tie this again.
Okay, ma.
I'll give it to you. Hmm?
Okay, ma.
Continue cleaning. Bend very well. Bend as you're cleaning, eh? Bend, bend, bend. Let me see. Bend. Leave your hand. Feel free. I've told this your house. Oh. Bend again. I like this cleaner. Let me see.
Someone you trust so much can hurt you. Even your own love can betray you. Life is a lesson. Life is a teacher.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Lucy. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
I hope you slept well.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, breakfast is ready.
Oh, I'm already late. I'll just eat out at the office. Hmm? Yeah, I hope you have everything you need.
Yes, madam has already given me money. In case if I need anything, I can go and get it.
Oh, okay. That's good.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Take care of yourself now.
You too, sir.
Okay, bye.
Bye, sir.
Okay, bye.
Where's my brother? Yes. He has left already. He left just now.
He didn't take his breakfast.
He said he was busy and he's late. He has so many things to do, so that's why. I was trying to explain to him to eat, but he said no.
Lucy, no. You should have cajoled him. Make him to sit down and eat breakfast, even if it's a cup of tea. Listen to me. I want you to feel free in this house. Feel free. You know how these newly married men behave. Act like you're his wife. Eh? Next time, you cajole him. Eh? You ask him, sir, what do you want? You move your body. Eh? So he can eat. Act like all these newly married women. You understand? Hope you understand.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you can go back and take your wrap and cover yourself and continue with the cleaning.
Okay, ma'am.
But if he's around, I don't want to use that wrapper.
Okay, ma'am.
Do you understand?
Okay, ma'am.
You understand, eh?
Yes, ma'am.
Someone you trust so much can hurt you. Even your own love can betray you.
I love this girl.
Eh? You say what? You love who?
No, there is this film I used to watch when I was small. You see this film? Hey! This film. In black and white TV. The name of the film is I Love Lucy, I Love Lucy, everybody, I love Lucy. Don't know.
It's better for you. I just want to be sure that it's not me that you are loving.
No, if I love you, is it a bad thing? If I love you, is it bad?
JB, if you love me, it's not bad. But you know how men behave. Once they love you, they just want to. After then, they will now run away.
Look at you. I'm different. You just take me cool. I'm different. See, let me tell you something. I've seen you so. I will take care of you. You're up to 24 years, are you not? Good. Like this time to settle down. I have a man that will love you. At least with 2 kids. Eh?
See, JB, I need a man that will love me. No, I want a man that will be giving me money, that will take care of me. It's not this one.
Look at you. Say no more. Look at me. I'm here for you. Take a good look at me. No, take a good look at me. You see, let me tell you, I will take care of you. The first day you came into this company, I sight my eyes on you and say, hey! This is my wife. They brought my wife to me. Let me tell you, you know, I study criminology. I have a degree. And Oga pay me big money more than government. So forget this thing. I will package you. I will range you. I will arrange you.
See, JB, it's not all this big drama. See, if you love me, you have to be giving me money. See, my cream just finished. You have to give me money to buy another one.
Look at you. How much is the money? No, how much is your cream, sir? How much is your cream?
It's only 10,000.
Only 10,000? Then you're shouting 10,000. Say less. Money is everywhere. Don't worry, don't give yourself stress. Don't stress yourself. Don't worry, money is plenty. Hold this one first. If you're not rich, I'll give you more. Just wait.
JB,
there's plenty money. Don't give yourself stress. Take this one. That's finished.
JB, thank you.
That's all for love.
Let me go and buy it. I'll come back.
You're not giving me a hug.
If I come back now.
Let me take you. So I don't want them to touch you. You're writing now, I don't want them to talk to you anyhow.
Okay, so this is the money for the clothes. You can have it.
Thank you.
I don't really like that clothes, so if you ask me, I would have preferred the wine color instead of the peach.
You didn't tell me. If you had told me, I still have, I think, one or two wine color remaining. Yes.
Are you serious?
You can bring your peach and I'll change it for you.
Oh, you see wine.
You?
Thank you.
Lucy! Lucy!
Okay, go upstairs to our room. You'll see a melon bag on the chair. Open it, you see a peach dress inside. Bring it for me. But be very careful, do not wake Oga up. Sleep.
Okay,
Here.
okay, ma.
Bye.
I'm really grateful.
Thank you so much, my friend. I'm really so grateful. What can I do without you?
Yeah. Who is she?
Who? Oh, okay. She's my new housemate.
Who brought her?
My sister-in-law did. What is it? What is the problem?
Oh. Oh,
Hello,
maybe
Jennifer.
you're awake.
Jennifer, how are you?
Okay. I've been here for hours, but then I heard you've been sleeping.
Yes, it's a weekend, so we need to get some rest. Let me leave you to ladies to keep discussing. I'll be upstairs.
Okay.
I'll see you upstairs, right? Try and get some rest, okay?
I will.
Thank you very much.
Ma, can I go now?
Take the dress. You can check it now. Check it.
Maria,
Jennifer.
you said your sister-in-law brought her. So your sister-in-law brought in a second wife to your house?
Jennifer. What are you talking about? Why would she do that to me?
Girl, you're smart and intelligent when it comes to work and things like that. But when it comes to sensitive issues like this, I'm sorry, my friend, you're not.
What are you talking about?
Your sister-in-law brought in a second wife for your husband. Can't you see the way she's dressed? How short her dress is?
Jennifer, you started again. I don't understand what you're talking about. How could she do that to me? Huh? You started overreacting. Overthinking. You started. You started. Okay.
Her breasts are literally popping out of the dress she's wearing. Okay. You do know that your sister-in-law is like a mother to your husband, right? Okay. And don't you think they're bothered that you've not given them a child? So do you think she brought a house help or a wife? Okay. I know your husband is a good man. Of course. He loves you. He's a good man, yes. But keyword man. He's a man. He can't put goat and yam in the same place. It's not done. You know what? I've said my piece. I have to go take my kids for a birthday party. Alright?
Okay.
I'll see you at the office, okay? See you Monday. Take care of yourself.
Yeah.
Be good and be smart.
Send me well to your kids.
Life is a teacher. Life is something that's so. Oh, na, na, na. Careful the things you do. Careful the things you do. Sometimes your action and the way you do things can put you to trouble.
Sir. Sir, should I serve you food now?
Um, Lucy, I'm not quite hungry.
So we have not eaten anything since today.
Yes, I'll just take water.
Water.
Yes, water.
So I can make anything for you. Noodles, eggs, you know, fried plantain.
Lucy, just water will be fine, okay?
Just water.
Yes, just water.
So are you sure? Just water.
Yes.
Water.
Yes, Lucy, water will be fine. Thank you very much.
Okay, sir.
Hey.
Baby, how you doing?
I'm good. Just doing much.
Okay, so. Whew. I think I have to serve your lunch now.
Lucy already offered me lunch, but I told her just get me water. But it's okay, you can serve me lunch.
Of course I have to serve your lunch. You're my husband, remember?
Yes,
it's
I
my
am.
duty and not anyone's duty.
Of course.
I'll be right back, okay? Okay.
Okay.
Auntie.
Yeah?
Since you're done dishing the food, should I set the dining?
Yes, you can go ahead.
Okay.
Let me see.
Auntie.
When did you start wearing skimpy dresses like this? This was not how you were dressing when you came in here newly. What changed?
I'm sorry, Auntie. It was sister that got these clothes for me. She said that she always dress sexy and be free.
Do you know what men like in a woman? Decency. You see, Lucy, when a woman is well dressed, when a woman is fully clothed, it attracts fire. It makes a man want you more. It makes a man trying to, it'll be trying and fighting so hard to know what is inside. But when a lady is dressed in such a very skimpy and revealing clothes, she loses all form of value. Lucy, do you want to have a value for yourself, or you want a man to see you as a lady who is wasteful or irresponsible?
I want to have a value for myself.
Good. Because I really like you, I would advise you to be well dressed. So a man would cherish you and take you for a responsible lady and not see you as one public property, because that's how you're dressed right now, and it's not good.
I'm sorry, Auntie. Maybe my mother used to tell me to always dress decent. Sorry, Auntie. I'm sorry.
Well, I'm glad you understand my stance. So you learn to choose for yourself what you want. You want a man who will lust over you, or a man who would marry you? You make a choice. It's all in your decision.
Thank you, Auntie.
You're welcome.
take your food.
Come inside now. What is it? Come inside.
Come inside and do what? JB, please. I'm not in a good mood today. My body, they pain me. Please, don't even talk about me coming inside. It's not possible. Come inside and do what? Inside where?
What happened?
JB, see, I'm confused. I'm confused. I don't even know what to do. Jonah, I was wearing a dress that sister got for me. Madam was complaining that this dress is sexy. This one, that I should stop wearing it. The other day, Jonah night, I was on my own. Sister said if I should need anything in the house, I should go and meet Oga and ask him to give me money. Madam came, Jordan, and said, anything you need, come to me. Don't go and meet my husband. Like, I don't even know what to do. Eh? Should I follow sister or should I follow madam? I'm confused. Which one I go do? Eh?
Yes. You know, you are confused because you want to be confused. Let me tell you something. See this house now, eh? Who gets house? Not my madam.
Nah, your madam.
Of course! You follow madam, you will leave. If you don't follow madam, you will go.
So what are you trying to say?
So follow madam rules. Leave that sister and forget her. Let me tell you, now they make it the best. Leave that thing. Let me show you something. Yeah?
JB, see. Not today, okay, just wait. At night, come to my window. Everybody's sleeping my bed.
Come, Joe, let me
JB, come on. No, JB, not today. Come where?
Even if it's just like
no, JB, I can't. I can't.
Who is that Anoma Enriquez? Oh. Who is that? No, Ogana Party, they are winding up like that. Are you normal? These are people who just did. This person work for this company. All the members they do anything for this place. If I catch you there! Who is the cartoon focus of that place? Do you know I'm the chief security of this place? Eh? Eh?
This is Ara.
Where you go? No, where you go?
I said this is Arab. Arab is looking for Augustine Ekena. Is this not his house? This is Arab. Arab is looking for a Kineset.
I hear you talk.
Look, my baby girl is in there. Felicia.
Eh? So,
you man.
Damn. Okay, wait. You said you look for who?
Fifi baby. That's my girl. I'm here for
her. Okay, wait. You will come down first now. You're in rush. You're like this. You know what? You man. Chief security officer of this place. In my degree, I studied technology. Very long. So you will give me respect. I'm talking. No, let me guess. So first of all, you will call her, make she come outside. Come carry you inside.
What? I not get credit.
I got yo man.
Yo man, I not get credit.
She not get. Yo man. Okay. No. Go wait the man come out.
JB! Let it in! Oh!
So pack the soup and put them in the freezer. Okay.
Baby! Oh! Baby! Oh! That's my brother's wife. Her name is Mirabel. Mimi for short.
You man.
Mirabel, that's my boyfriend. His name is Arab Money.
You.
Baby. That's the housekeeper. Her name is Lucy.
Maybe. I'll have some time.
Oh, Mirabel. My
my boyfriend will be spending a lot of time with me.
Yeah.
Stay here to keep me company.
Yeah. Fefe! Where's my drink?
Hello?
Hello. Did you just talk to me?
You're back. Baby. That's my brother, the one I was telling you about. Augustine, this is my boyfriend, the one I told you about.
Hello.
Welcome, brother. Welcome.
Let him change the TV. Let him change the station. Pass the remote control.
You want the remote?
Yeah. Yeah, give it to me like that.
You want it?
Yeah. Now I want it.
You asked to see me.
Sister, I was surprised when I came to my house and met that fella in my house. I'm so disappointed. Is that the boyfriend you've been talking about?
Yes. That's my boyfriend. Listen, there is nothing wrong with him. Just that he likes to drink. And I like to drink too. In fact, we both drink to make ourselves happy.
Sister, what does he do for a living?
Nothing for now. That is actually why I asked him to come, so you can help him.
How? How do I help someone that his brain is obviously soaked in alcohol?
That's an insult. Do you realize that any insult upon him is also on me? Do you understand?
Sister, I'm sorry. But honestly, and with all due respect, I don't like him. I mean, I don't think he's the type of person that you should be dating. He has no future for you. I mean, what do you see in him?
That's enough! Enough of this nonsense! Augustine, since when did you have the boldness to speak to me in that manner? Oh, because I sat here to listen to you interview me about my boyfriend as if I'm some small girl?
Lucy! 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 Why is it gonna be like this now, eh? People don't plan this and say we will see this night. Eh? Why is it gonna do like this now? Eh? Ah. Lucy! Nice one.
Morning.
Sir, any problem?
Glasses.
Some glasses is there. Yours.
Yeah, thank you.
Sir, please.
Good morning, sister.
Hey.
Good morning. Good morning, bro.
Morning!
Come on, join us.
Come and join us. It's good for your health.
Yeah, thank you. Enjoy. Okay.
Maybe she knows that without. Okay, baby.
Yes, you were wasting so much time, so I decided to come up myself and see you.
Oh, okay.
Mimi, I don't like this thing that you're wearing in this house.
What is wrong with what I'm wearing?
What do you mean, what is wrong with what I'm wearing? Look at it now. Look at it now. Everywhere is open. Mimi, my boyfriend is in this house. Do you want to seduce him?
Sister, this is my house. This is my matrimonial home. And my husband loves me dressing this way. Besides, I can choose to dress anyhow I want to dress. It's my choice and my decision. Wait a minute. Sister, so you mean you don't like when people wear short skirts and short trousers? Yet you told people to start wearing stuffs like this in my husband's house when your man was not around. Huh?
So you are now questioning me? Eh? Eh? So wait, you are not disrespecting me?
Sister, I cannot disrespect you. Haha, why would I want to disrespect you? Like, I cannot do that. Sister, listen, this is my matrimony. And I can choose to dress however I want to dress. It shouldn't be a problem for you now. It shouldn't be a problem for you. You know, maybe if you had told me that your man was coming,
I could have gone to the market to buy long dresses. But you didn't tell me. You guys came here unannounced. So it's not my fault to... I don't know what to do at this point. I would have loved to go and shop for new clothes, but it is late now. You have to manage it.
Please, it's not late. You can still go.
Oh.
Yes, I will escort you. Let's go.
So who's going to pay for the clothes?
Me.
Sister, please don't worry. Is that all you want to tell me?
For now.
Okay, thank you.
Someone trust so much can hurt you. Even your own blood can betray you. Life is a lesson. Life is a
Honey, what's the problem?
Honey, I think it's time you need to talk to your sister. Just go downstairs. Go downstairs and see the mess they've made this early morning. They're drinking and dancing this early morning. They're children. I just don't get it. Do you understand? I can make matter worse. She warned me. Hey, she warned me not to dress like this in this house. In my husband's house. In my own matrimonial home.
Wait, I understand, please.
Does that even make sense to you? Can you imagine this?
Please, please, for my sake, please just ignore her. Just ignore her for my sake, okay? I'll definitely talk to her about this, okay? Just ignore her, please. Ignore her, please. I'll definitely talk to her. I know this can be upsetting, but please ignore her, okay?
I'm tired. I'm so tired. Oh, God. This is just too much for me to bear.
JB, there is there.
Hey, let me hear what. Come, don't stress me. Don't stress me at all. If you think you're going to fool me, after the plans we had yesterday, don't even try me. Look at you. It's like my ear, I cannot hear. My ear.
JB now. JB, why are you attacking me like this? What did I do?
What did you do? No, then what have you not done, in fact? We had plans today that I'll come and see you at night, didn't we? When everybody's sleeping, I'll come and knock your window. When I was knocking, why didn't you answer me? I knocked and give me your deaf ears. It's my turn, don't disturb me.
Yeah, is that why you're angry? Is that why you're angry over this little thing?
Wait. You call my plan in little thing. You call this in little thing, Do you know the kind of pressure I made for us yesterday? Do you know the kind of things I put inside to make that thing happen? And you're here telling me, little thing, you're calling little thing. Don't talk to me, just let me be.
JB, sorry. JB, it's not my fault. You see that sister? That sister wants to make my life miserable in this house. I swear, she even woke me up at the middle of the night to go make noodles for that man. It's joke. Even today, she packed her clothes and his clothes for me to wash. I don't even have any single time for myself. I don't even have time to work for my organ, my madam. See, JB, sorry, it's not my fault, you know. I'm sorry, please.
It's okay. First, I can say I don't care. I care. See, sorry for what happened, okay? But let me tell you, you see sister matter. You see, our problem is not our problem. Our problem is national concern. You just leave that woman. Let me just tell you the truth.
JB, you see that lady? She cannot even pick one single thing from the house. She does nothing. How did she even get married before?
Oh, you don't know.
What?
Let me tell you, you see that woman? That was the reason why her former husband kicked her out. Now just kick her out and carry the children. Now the man's taking care of children and she's here doing anyhow. But let me tell you, the thing is that I cannot help you in that place. So. I cannot help you inside.
JB,
why are you man now? I say I cannot help you inside, but I can help you to wash your clothes.
JB, you help me wash the clothes.
It's all I do for love now.
Thank you. Let me go and bring it. Yes, no.
Wait, Lucy! this girl, I didn't even tell her what I even have in mind to tell her. Let me just tell you, even if you like, kiss me. Let me just tell you, my 10,000 that I gave to you is still counting. If you not give me the money now, I'll still collect it from you. You have not paid me. Oh. Fine boy like me. Fine boy like me.
Honey, you have to come with me downstairs to the dining to see what your sister and her boyfriend have done.
What again now? Honey, I told you to just ignore her. Tolerate her. She will soon leave.
But I'm just telling you to come downstairs with me to the dining. To come see for yourself. Because this will be the last time, the very last time that I, Mirabelle, will ever cook in this house again.
Hey, honey. You know what? Let's go. Let's go.
Yo, baby.
Baby, are you enjoying?
Of course I am. Isn't it obvious? Man.
I like that you're enjoying.
This tastes good, but you taste better, baby.
So
Yo, man. Hey, bro.
Welcome to the dining. Join us.
Sister, where did you get all this meat you're eating?
From the pot.
Sister, you got all this meat from the pot in this house, and you're eating it by yourself?
How do you mean?
Sister, this is too much.
Too much? Augustine, is that an insult or what? The meat your wife used in making the soup was not enough. So we decided to get more so that when we finish eating this small one from the soup, we'll add this one to it.
Sister, this is too much. Come on. This is too much. I can count over 10 pieces of meat, and I'm sure you've already been eating it. Even the meat my wife hasn't even fried, you took it to eat. Come on now, this is wrong. Other people will eat.
It's more than 10. Count well. Augustine, hold on, let me ask you. Are you saying that we have no right to eat meat in this house? Is that what you're saying?
Sister, all I'm saying is that you're eating meat like it's your last supper. Come on.
Maybe it is. That is how your sister likes it. And that is how my baby likes it. Baby, am I right?
This is how we eat meat now.
I like your eyes.
Oh, baby, you're so sexy.
For you.
You got beef?
Baby, is it because of this meat they came downstairs?
I don't even understand.
Baby, are you enjoying this?
Of course I am.
That's what that matters to me.
I know, baby. The fact that we're just eating it.
Let's eat this.
Mirabelle. I know that you are the one that reported me to your husband that I ate meat. I did not know that eating meat is a problem in this house.
Sister, that is not what I'm saying. How would you even think like that? I don't understand. Sister, listen, my point is, the way you ate the meat, if you had finished everything, what would others eat? That is all I was trying to say, nothing more than that.
Who are others? Mirabelle, who are the others? Are there children in this house to call others? The only others in this house is yourself, my brother, and myself, and my boyfriend. Those are the others. Where are the others? As long as there are no children in this house, there are no others. I will continue to eat meat in this house until others come.
No problem. I don't have an issue with it. When your brother puts in the orders, at the appointed time, we will have them. But for now, I'll just be praying for God.
My brother is sound. My brother is correct. You are the unproductive one. As long as there are no children in this house, I will continue to eat the meat. This is my house. My brother's house is my house. And my house is my brother's house until the children comes. And before they come, I will continue to eat meat in this house.
Come in.
Sister, you sent for me.
Yes, I did.
I did. Lucy, why are you always delegating your duties to that stupid gate man? Eh? It's either he's washing your clothes, or even washing plates for you, or going down the street buying things for you. Why?
Hey, sister, he's only helping me out though.
How? Why? And what? Lucy, are you sleeping with him?
Hey!
I have been observing both
Sister,
of you.
me. Sister, I swear, I've never slept with that gate man. Just that he said he wants to date me.
Is he mad? He wants to date you. Ha! Lucy. Hey, Lucy, why do you want to belittle yourself with that ordinary gate man that have not even finished primary school? Lucy, the way I'm looking at your face is like you're considering it though.
Wow.
I am disappointed in this girl. I am disappointed in this girl.
Lucy, that's bad. Too bad.
Lucy, who brought you?
It's you, sister.
Listen to me. Listen to me carefully.
Open your ears.
Arab,
Listen.
you are my witness.
Okay.
Listen to me. I brought you to this house. So that you will better yourself. Are you understanding me? My brother wants to chase his wife away.
Hey!
So I brought you here. Or don't you want to take over?
Hey! I want to take
What
over.
is hey?
I want to take over. People don't like good things.
Are you not beautiful enough?
I am.
You see, you have
After all,
OND.
you are not a small girl.
You have OND. Or don't you want to be the madam of this beautiful house?
I want to be the madam of this beautiful house.
But sister, don't me. Shh. Don't bot me. I will arrange it. Each and every one of us have a role to play in this. You have your own role to play. My boyfriend has his own role to play.
Yes.
I will tell you exactly what to do. I will tell you exactly what to do. But for now, desist from following that skit man.
Okay, sister.
Did you hear me?
I will not talk to him again.
Are you sure?
Don't near him again.
I will. Thank you, sister.
Fefe, the master planner. We are going to take over.
Much can hurt you. Can betray you. Life is a lesson. Life is a teacher. Life is something that's so. Oh no. Careful the things you do. Careful the things you do. Sometimes your action and the way you do things can put you into trouble. Sometimes your action and the way you do things can hit your back.
Carry me,
Sometimes
they go.
they really make you see inside there.
Jamie, what's the meaning of this rubbish? When did that one start?
Stop it. You know it's just playing. I love playing.
You and who is playing? Since when? When did that one start? Playing with you? Get man? How? When? See, JB, this should be the first and last time you try this nonsense again. Don't ever in your life. See, JB,
JB.
Is your name not JB? Is it BJ? Your name is JB. So I'll call you by your name. JB. Rubbish.
Wow. So you're calling me JB after the money collected from me? Eh? Show me you collected money from me.
Which money? Me. You gave me money. Now bring the receipts that prove that you gave me money. Let me see the receipts. See, let this be the first and last time you try this thing. Because I'm playing with you now. I'm opening my teeth. You are laughing. You are touching my waist. Is it your waist?
I pay for the waist.
I beg again. Useless.
This small love. This.
Carry me there, go.
Someone you trust so much can hurt you. Even your own blood can betray you. Life is a lesson. Life is a teacher.
Sister, you said you wanted to see me.
Yo, bro. I requested for this meeting. I want to apologize for our conduct in this house. Look, I'm a man, and so I understand. No woman would be happy at the past events in this house, especially with the way I just came in. You know, I didn't know my baby didn't inform you that I was coming, you know. Look, please, forgive us. Huh? Please.
My brother, you know if you're unhappy, I am unhappy too.
Yeah.
Please, forgive me. No, forgive us.
Us? Yeah.
Okay?
No, sister, please, sister, stop now. Please stop. You can't kneel for me.
We
Please.
can.
Please, sister, you can't. Please.
Okay.
Eh? You're like a mother to me now.
Okay.
Eh? Please. Please. Look, I've heard you, and I'll speak to my wife, okay? I am very certain that peace will be restored. Okay? So you don't need to kneel for me, sister, please, eh? So apology accepted. Please.
Thank you.
Sister, I'll have to go now, eh? You people should enjoy yourselves.
No. You, bro, stay and drink with us.
No. I don't do alcohol.
This is not alcoholic.
Sister, you know I don't do alcohol.
Look, bro, I know it's a bit awkward.
I don't do alcohol.
Yeah,
I don't do alcohol.
This is not alcohol, bro. It's not alcohol. I know how it looks, but it's not alcohol.
Sister, I can't.
Brother, you know if you have accepted our apology, you have to drink with us.
Yeah?
It doesn't have alcohol.
Please.
Okay?
It's okay.
No, just a little bit more.
Sister.
It's okay. Let's cheer to good life. Brand new life.
Let's get glasses.
Let's cheer.
Okay, this is not bad.
Yes.
Yes. Drink some more.
So, see Lucio. I should go and find my mate. After you collect a huge amount of 10,000 from you. No, it's fine. But you have drawn the line. Don't be for me like this. This house, fire for fire, eyes for eyes, tooth for tooth.
Hey. So you like this kind of music? Get Natty.
Natty Dre.
Oh! Natty Dre. Dreaded Natty. Yeah. My bad. Those days, that was when they played good reggae. Not now, they're just misbehaving, playing all sorts. This wine, this wine is hard. I'm getting the tips.
Brother.
You better go and sleep it off.
You're tipsy. I think you Are you sure you can find your way upstairs?
Yeah, I should. Let me just one more.
Some more?
Some more?
No, I'm good.
Are you sure about this?
Yeah. I'm fine, don't worry.
Need help?
Oh.
Okay.
Go.
I'll be fine. Where is Lucy?
Lucy?
Lucy!
Lucy!
Someone you trust so much can hurt you. Even your own blood can betray you. Life is a lesson. Life is a teacher. Life is something that's so. Oh, na na na. Oh, be careful the things you do. Be careful the things you do. Sometimes your action and the way you do things can put you to trouble. Sometimes your action and the way you do things can hit you back.
What? Lucy! What are you doing here? Lucy, did we?
The only thing I can remember is spread it. You are sweet. Spread it.
What? Lucy!
Oh my god, I'm so tired.
Honey, there's no way to take. There's no way to. I don't know how she got into it. I'm sorry. I don't. No! Get out of my room. Leave my room now. Out! Baby, please now. Please. Honey, please listen to me, okay? Honey, you know me now. Honey, you know me. You know me better than this now. Honey, you know me. I don't know what happened. You don't know what happened! You don't know what wait. How can you tell me that you don't know what happened? What kind of lie are you trying to lie to me? Don't lie to me! You need to. I need to believe you. It's me. It's for what? It's for what sense?
into my room, into my bed naked? How?
Hey!
How did you find... Augustine! You better speak now. You better speak now. How?
Augustine, do you want to kill someone's child? Stop this!
Sister, don't tell me to stop what?
Do you want to kill someone's child?
Sister, let her explain.
Speaking of how she got to your room, we were all here drinking.
You and who was drinking?
Arab and I. Then suddenly you said you are feeling somehow. Then you said you wanted to go upstairs to your room and relax. Then suddenly you said you wanted to. You started calling Lucy.
Me?
Then I helped you to.
Sister, no! How? Me?
Yes, and then you went upstairs with her to your room. My brother, calm down. Lucy, tell me, what happened when you got to his room? Okay.
Sister, when I got to Oga's room, Oga said, Lucy, lie down. I said, Oga, it's me or Lucy. Wait, let me finish now. Let me finish. Oga said, lie down. Obey me. I said, okay, sir. Obey me. I know. Obey the Oga. Calm down. Sister, Oga started kissing me. I said, Oga, it's me you are kissing. Oga, sorry. What? I kissed Oga back.
Trust me.
Sister, and I'll put my wife. Hold on. Lucy, when he pulled your pants, did he put anything inside? He put something inside!
Sister, I'm expecting you. Augustine, sister, just tell me, you said you are killing this house. You cannot tell her before.
I obey you now. I'm put something. Pull your wife. Sister, Lucy, when he put something inside, what did you do?
I did like this. You did like that? Very well. That's good. Hold on. They will kill themselves. Hold on here. Augustine!
Please don't believe whatever they're saying, okay? Don't believe them. Please don't believe whatever they're saying. Please. Okay? Please. Honestly, I can't remember what happened. I can't even remember. I don't know, I'm just confused. I'm confused. Please believe me. Please. I beg you, please.
Did you really tell her to come to our room or not?
Honestly, God, I was drunk, so they gave me wine. They said it was non-alcoholic. I took a few sips and I felt funny. I couldn't remember anything. I couldn't remember anything. I lost control of myself and yeah, I must have needed help at some point upstairs, but honestly, I can't remember everything. I can't remember everything. Honey, please, you need to believe me. I can't remember. All I remember is waking up and meeting her in bed with me, and she was naked. She was naked. Honey, please believe me. I don't know how. I can't explain it. So
it is possible that anything could have happened because you were drunk. What?
Oh.
When did you start drinking? When?
Oh God, I'm confused. I'm confused here. What's that? I'm lost of words. You have to believe me. Oh no! Please, I can't have you do this to me. Please. Okay, he's trying to understand. I can't remember. I mean, if I could remember, I would tell you. But I know I would not. I will not do this to you. I want to just do this. Don't you get? I don't know. Please, just please believe me, okay? What are you doing? Oh no. Why are you going? Come back now. Wait. Baby, please, I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. Don't do this now. Don't close this. Honey, please now. Don't close this door, okay? Please, just open it. Let's talk about this. Hey, please, let's talk about this, please. Believe me, I can't remember everything. I won't do this.
Sister, I'm afraid. I'm worried. Are you sure I'm not in any sort of trouble with my madam? Eh?
You are not going to get into any sort of trouble with any madam. Lucy, as long as I am in this house, you will not get into any trouble. Listen to me. Augustine is like a son to me. I raised him. So don't be afraid.
Okay, sister.
He can never go against my wish.
Okay, sister.
By the way, did he do it?
Yes.
Yes! He did it!
Yes, he did it.
That's what I'm talking about. Ah! Good job. Good job.
Thank you,
I am
sister.
happy.
Thank you.
Very happy. Now, you follow me to my room and I will give you that 100,000 I promised you.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Thank you, sister.
Let's go. Let's go, sister.
Someone you trust so much can hurt you.
Mimi. Mirabelle. You've been inside there for hours. What are you doing? Please open, please. I mean, you know me better than this. You know I won't do this to you. You know. Mirabelle, please. Just open. Let's talk about this, okay? Let's talk about it. Oh. Mirabelle, please. I can't do this. Like, come, just open the door, please. Please. Are you there? Can you even say? Honey, please now answer me. Just say something.
Someone you trust so much can hurt you. Even your own blood can betray you. Life is a lesson. Life is a teacher. Life is something that's so. Oh, no.
Sister, how could you do this? How could you do this? How could you throw me under the bus? Yes, I was drunk and I couldn't account for my actions with Lucy. But at least you would have defended me in front of my wife. Instead, you added stoke to the fire. Why?
Augustine, is it that this your childlessness does not bother you? Who cares what Mirabelle thinks? Allow this girl Lucy to give you a child. Is she not beautiful? You tasted her. Was she not sweet?
Sister, please stop it. Just stop all this, okay? Enough with all these child issues. Please. I have begged my wife and she's forgiven me. Please, sister. And one more thing, sister. Please, I need Lucy out of this house.
Impossible. She's going nowhere. Listen, if you throw Lucy out of this house, I will disown you. Not only disowning you, I will curse you and make you beg for food. Then you know that I am the backbone of your success.
Can betray you. Life is a lesson. Life is a teacher. Life is something that's so. Oh, na na na. Oh. Be careful the things you do. Oh. Be careful the things you do. Sometimes your action and the way you do things can put you to trouble. Sometimes your action and the way you do things can hit your back. Oh. And sometimes some people are not, they really made you see inside them. Some people
You okay? You're not sleeping?
No.
Why?
I was just thinking. I think I need to have a word with you.
Okay, I'm here. Talk to me.
You know I love you, right?
I love you too. I love you. I love you so much. What is it? Hey.
You know, it's going to be very stupid of me to act like I'm not aware that your sister is behind all of this drama in this house. So therefore, if you know you're really sorry and you really want me to forgive you, you have to send her away. And not just her, her boyfriend and Lucy. All of them have to leave this place. Because baby, I really want peace to be restored in the house. I'm tired of all of this drama. Like, I'm really so tired.
Hey, look. I understand, okay? And thank you so much. Thank you. I'll do something about this.
Okay.
I will, I promise. Okay.
Thank you.
I love you.
I love you too.
Good morning, Mom. Good morning, Lucy. Where did they bring you from again? Huh? I said, where did they bring you from? From this town. Very good. Take this 50,000 naira. Take it. Take the money for your transportation and for your monthly salary. Take that money and take it back to wherever you're coming from. When I'm back from my working place, I do not want to see you in my house. I hope I'm clear. I hope I'm clear.
Sister! 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 Oh, sister, it has happened though.
What has happened?
I told you.
What did you
Madam
tell me?
gave me this money for my salary. She said I should go before she comes back.
Mirabel,
Mm-hmm.
give me the money. You are not going anywhere. You stay here.
Okay.
This is very nice. As if she knows. I will use this money and buy drinks for me and my baby.
You say?
Continue with what you're doing.
Okay.
As if she knows. She gets sense. Hey! I've been waiting for money, looking for money to buy drinks. Anyway, thank you. Thank you so much.
Hey, Jody.
Hey, Oga.
I don't know, how are you?
Fine, Oga. Welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah.
How's the house?
Ours is well, even inside where we are well.
JB Jim.
Okay.
Yeah.
I work now.
Fine.
Welcome.
Thank you.
What's kind of dirty? I'll put us there tomorrow. Gosh.
Lucy! What are you doing in my house? Are you deaf?
Madam, you said I should pack my things and leave. But I was about leaving, but sister said I should stay.
Lucy, what did I tell you in the morning?
That's what I'm saying. I was about leaving, but sister said I should stay.
She said you should stay.
Yes. She said I should stay and relax.
So until I break your head, until I kill you first, is when you pack your things and leave this house.
Why would you break her head? Eh? Why would you kill her first? Are you deaf? Did you not hear her? You asked us to leave and I asked her to stay. Yes, I brought her here. And
why would you counter my order? Is this your house?
Yes, it is my house. Yes, it is my house. I brought her here and I asked her to stay.
Really? Damn, man.
It's so small. The next time you counter my order in this house, I will deal with you. I will deal with your head. What nonsense?
Honey, can you
don't leave me alone? No, I'm telling you that.
Let me, baby. Please. Okay, no, please, let's go upstairs. Please, let's go upstairs.
Baby, nonsense.
Let me see.
Check it, this one.
Sister.
Hold on. So, you're putting her upstairs, eh? And I'm here touching my head. She put my head, yo. She put my head, yo.
And he's fooling another man.
Check if
Baby, man.
Check.
This requires an operation. Damn, man. Someone.
Damn. No, baby, sit down. Continue with your juice.
Damn.
Stay here. Baby, sit.
Baby. Let me blow air.
Stop, blow. Stop. Continue with your drink. Baby. Stretch your hand. Stretch your leg. Go and bring more juice for yourself.
This is our house.
Go and bring more juice for yourself. Yes. Go. Hurry up. You calm down.
Yes,
I swear.
Honey, what did I tell you? Did I not tell you that I want them to leave this house?
Yes, you did. Look, honey, I haven't had time to discuss with my sister.
I do not care. All I want is for them to leave this place. Especially that stupid girl called Lucy. I want them out!
Yes, you're right. You're very right, honey. But I have a plan, okay? Now, let me just tell you about this plan. I have spoken to the estate agent to get a one-bedroom apartment for my sister. Once he does, they are leaving. Do you understand? Just bear with me. I don't want people talking here and there saying I threw my sister out of my house. The sister that raised me to be the man that I am today. And I don't want you being in the negative talk. So please just bear with me. Just give me some time. Once he gets the house, and even if he gets the house today, they will leave this night. I promise you. Please. Say something now.
Just don't touch me, just go.
Okay, let me just go check up on her to be sure she's okay? I'll be back.
I've been feeling so feverish and dizzy. I don't know what is wrong with me.
How? Listen, you're pregnant.
Me? Pregnant? I'm not pregnant, oh. How? When?
Yes, you are.
No.
Calm down. Did you not have the sex with my brother?
I did.
That's good news. Hey, you're pregnant. Calm down. My brother will marry you. Our plan has worked. Let us go inside and break the news to him. Let us go inside and break the news to them. Come, 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 come. Let's go, let's go. Hey!
Having your own blood can betray you.
Wow,
Life is a lesson. Life is a teacher. Life is something that's so. Oh na na na. Oh, be careful the things
What
you
is the
do.
meaning of this? Honey, calm down, okay? Let me handle this. Sister,
Yes, brother.
you're blocking our view.
The television. This one can wait.
Sister,
There is a very important matter that we need to discuss.
sister, whatever it is, you can sit down instead of blocking our view.
Huh? No. I want to stand. Let me stand. Eh?
Stop.
It's okay for now. The result is out. And you did so well.
What result?
Lucy is pregnant. And it is for you. You see? My brother, I have always known that you are capable. Very, very capable. It's obvious. You have been with a man. Just one round with a fertile woman. You see results?
Sister, stop it. Stop it! I don't like this one. Ah!
Huh? You don't like it?
What is the meaning of this?
Babe, look, I can handle this, okay? Please.
What is the meaning of this nonsense? Anyways,
I want them out of my house in the next 30 minutes. And if you do not do as I say, then I would know that you've chosen them over me. And I will do you the favor to go upstairs, pack my things, and I'll leave this house and I'll never return back to you again.
go! Hi! Go, my darling. Do you need help? I can help you unpack. Go and never to return again. Go!
Sister.
Let her go! If you need my help to help you pack, come here, come and help you unpack! Man!
Sister, I want this girl out of my house.
Never. Why are you hiding behind me? Come out! This is your house. Ahead. Arrange yourself very well. Good girl. She don't go anywhere. Lucy stays. You know? Hey! My brother! Hey! This is my brother! I don't like this! Calm down, you like it. Look at you. Eh? Easy woman. Odogo! Omeka Naya, one! Nalibu. Just one shot. He got targets. Hey! Lucy! You're too much. My brother. Smile. There are better ways to deal with situations like this. Hey! I know you love your wife. That's not a problem. Every man loves their wives. It's okay. But you can still marry Lucy. Yes. You can still marry her. Rent another house for her. Put her there. And take very good care of her. The most important thing is there is a child here. If you go, our lineage continues. It's my powerful brother. Give me a handshake. It's too much. It's too much.
Sister, I want her out of my house.
Smile.
Out of my house!
She's not going anywhere. Smile. God, it's allowed. See her. It has happened. Come here. Sit down. This house now belongs to you. Hey man, lie down. Lie down. You just stay back now. Do nothing. See, you will come down. Keep smiling.
Honey.
Have they gone?
Honey, please listen to me.
Augustine, he came now. I said, have they gone?
No, they haven't. But I'm
So which means you've chosen them over me then? So what's the point? Why am I staying here with you? I don't have a place here.
Honey, it hasn't got to do. Wait.
Just a quick reminder. When I pack my bag and I leave this place, do not even bother trying to stop me. Because if you do, I will either harm you or harm myself. And I'm sure you won't wonder for yourself, right? Get out.
Mirabel.
Get out!
Mirabel.
I said get out!
Mirabel, wait!
I'm smiling.
Mirabel, wait, listen! Mirabel! Mirabel, it hasn't gotten to this. Mirabel, listen! Wait, listen!
Get out! I say smile. Smile.
Honey, wait, listen.
You will fall down. Help her.
Mirabel,
Be a man, my brother. Good boy. This is very nice. You see, she has gone. Well done. Good job.
Wait, come on. Can you just listen to me? Can you just listen to me for once? Listen! Augustine!
Let me go.
How would I leave if you go? How would I leave without you if you go? I don't have a wife except you. I promise.
JB!
Don't you dare touch that suitcase.
Hey, madam, I beg, it go good if you listen to my oga. You see, now una two matter they talk for this whole place. Say una love, they turn their eyes. See, una no let them to spoil una love. I tell you, no let me say that can't spoil am. Una just the love una self. He's sweet die. Yeah.
Do not touch me. JB.
Yes, madam.
I think you're not aware about what is going on. But don't worry. I'm going to fill you in. Your guy here impregnated his house now. Yeah.
That is not true.
And guess what? I'm not done. Just take a chill pill. I'm not done. He wants to marry her.
Mirabel, you know it's not true. My sister and Lucy framed me. It's not mine. You know it's not mine.
I'll be going inside the house to get my second suitcase. And when I return, and I find you in my way, it's going to be hell.
Mirabel.
Wait.
Look, JB, I don't have time for your nonsense. And you know this.
Oga, wait. See, I get information. Then go help you settle this matter. Once.
What information?
Someone you trust so much can hurt you.
Are you enjoying? Leave this one. I'll bring another one. Enjoy yourself. Is it heavy? Do you need my help? Okay, you can carry it.
JB, what's wrong with you? Why did you bring my boss inside?
Honey, please. Just calm down, okay? We need to settle this matter right now. Please.
Austin, why are you stopping her? Let her go. Do her a favor, just help her with the bag. Let her
So
go.
you shut up. Just shut up and remain quiet there.
Eh? Austin, are you talking to me like that?
Yes, I will talk to you like that, Felicia. Do you understand? Because if you do not take care, you will see the other side of me you've never seen in your life.
Me?
Yes, you! Jamie, tell me what you told me outside.
Thank you, Oga. So, as I see now to the quiet for outside, I don't want to move now. Quarrel. You know, say people don't for this area, I know say people too like now too. They envy now too. So, I just think I talk with I know. But first, you see this Lucy lady here, so. Now, person I don't like her, she come. The first time she come here, I like her. I'm not gonna lie. So I come tell her say I like her, how it would be, meet her first day. She was say okay, for starter, make I pay am small thing. I come first give am from my salary, I give am 10K. That 10K, since that day, Oga, if I call her, she not even dey come my side. She no go. If I might come my place, she will say no, she no wan come. I say this girl, I don't lie you.
What kind of long story is this? Eh? He's just talking rubbish, telling a long story. Austin, this kind of discussion, Mirabel is not supposed to be here. Just let her go. Once she leaves, we can sit down and talk over this thing as a family matter. She's not supposed to be here.
Sister, I will not warn you again. I will not warn you again. Just keep quiet, okay? Honey, please. Please. JB, just continue.
Hey, thank you, sir. Before then, tell me say they can't stop me.
Before who cut you? Mind your toe. You're not my brother. What is this?
Okay, thank you, sir. Again. So, I don't they follow Lucy here, they do one or two, but one day I just call her, see she come my place, university. Me and based on we don't do something now. She called them and say, show me, hey, come over here, who you be? This one, I love your level.
Hey! JB, me! How? When? It's a lie, yo. It's a lie, I know.
Okay, you listen, they call this one Koloko right tears. You see this one, and they waiting to call her. Make her continue. As she do this way, she do say, she no want make, as I say, me, I just make her just go one day, go inside and go, as I come to go back on here, when she call for phone, she call person, what person say, as I did so, I won't become the madam for this house. My oga sister, the planner, sister say here, then the planner say they go pursue am, they go pursue your wife. I say, say you don't plan and finish, say go fake pregnancy, say you get belle for you, say if you don't do that one, you come gree, as don't gree, you come pursue madam, and say sister will give 100,000. I say, sister give 100,000.
This JB is lying. Lucy, tell him that he's lying. JB, you are lying. Hey, JB, you can lie, yeah? When?
Bros, what do you see here? I can't come my house inside of my small thing. I tell her, say, okay, say if she no agree do this what I do, I go play a record. That she go tell me, I pay no verse, and not tell anybody this, no do this, no come okay. Wait till I say, no do this thing, or she can't agree. And from there, since that day, I don't go like you, my boss, with my mother, you know, my mother, I don't go like you now too. Now, for now, I don't like her.
I will not sit here and watch this boy. Who's that rubbish? Lucy, let's go.
Let's go. If you move, what I will use your eyes to see, just sit down there. Do you understand?
Austin, I'm your sister. Your elder sister. Why are you talking to me like this?
So you want me to unleash my anger on you? Eh? If you can go against me, to plot against me, plot against my family, my peaceful family, after sending you money, you plan and you fix this kind of thing just to destroy my home. Sister, now I know what to do. I know what to do. Don't worry.
Hold on. If all of this is his friend, so who's responsible for the pregnancy?
JB, of course. I mean, he said he's been knocking her.
Okay. I thought so. No doubt. But don't believe me. Hey, JB, you. I'm not going to be now. No believe me, okay? We'll be two waiting for this. I get colleague. We'll be two for this game. Now, me and this person now can get on my body, get shifts. You get shifts. And the person, sister babe.
You are mad! You are mad, sister! This boy is talking rubbish! You are talking rubbish!
No, you were the talk I talk rubbish. Now lie. Lucy, if now lie talk. See her, she know if she dey beg. She know if talk anything now.
I'm sorry. Good day, sir. Sir, sister said I should come and ask you what you want to eat so I can make it for you.
I'll let you know. Thank you. Wait a minute. Listen. Come and sit down here and relax with me. You work too hard. Don't you drink? Come and sit down. Sit down.
Sir.
Don't you drink?
Sir, I drink alcohol, but you know this is my workplace, so I don't want to show that side of me here.
Relax. It's not so strong. It's just red wine. I mixed it by myself. Well, take drink some. And drink it. Drink up, Lucy. Drink up. Always working. Relax. Drink some. It will help you.
Sir, sir, is this red wine Abi Ogogoro?
It is sweet wine. It's special. I mixed it by myself. Drink some more. Drink some more.
Sir, wait, it's burning down my throat.
Yeah, that's how it's supposed to be. That's the time. It will soon calm everything down. Drink.
If I drink.
Then drink some more. That's when it will. How do you feel now?
So my head is spinning.
That means it is really working. Drink some more. It will now help everything to relax. Drink now, Lucy.
Sorry.
You are not a baby. Drink it. Good. How is it doing you now? You're always working hard, Always working hard. Let me work with you.
I'm sorry.
Where is that idiot?
Please,
Bye! Around!
Please, I'm sorry.
Sister, as you're going back inside there, I want you to pack all your things. You and that your Arab. I want you out of my house. Now! Do you understand? Out of my house now.
Augustine, so what? Where am I supposed to go to? We don't have anywhere else to go.
Me too. I don't have where to go.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Sister, take. That is the key to one bedroom flat, just for you. This is the address. I want you to get out of my house. Do you understand? Yes.
Just a little bit. Me. Austin, me, your sister. Felicia. Omeka Naya. Odere Igwe. One bedroom. I've always lived in a 3-bedroom flat. What will I be doing in a 1-bedroom?
With who? Sister, are your children living with you? Look, I just want you out of my house. Do you understand? I want you out of my house now and take down your baggage. You will stay in 1 bedroom. Do you understand? Now get out of my house. Pack your things and your boyfriend and get out of my house.
Where is he?
Where is he?
Yo, man. I said, bro. Please, come on. Fifi, baby. See what you caused. We're gonna miss the good life.
Leave my house. Now.
Please, bro. One more chance. Fifi, baby. You mean we're going to live this good life? Yo, man.
Please leave.
Yo, man.
Now.
Yo, man. Yo, man.
Sister.
Fifi.
Sister. You see this house? I don't want to see you come close to this house or this compound.
If you need to ever talk to me, call me on the phone and discuss with me. Now get out of my house. Pack your baggage and get out of my house. JB,
sir,
do your job.
Good. And as the chief security officer of this house, and I study criminology, my course long. All of you, get out.
Bros, please give me one more chance.
Oh, hey, let me tell you, look at me very well. I am the chief security officer of this whole building. And my degree, long. I study criminology. Now, get out.
Bros.
Okay, get out!
Let me assist you.
Don't assist me.
Fefe, baby.
Hey, baby.
Fefe, baby.
Sister, please leave.
We're missing a good life. No, this bag is not my own.
Sister, please.
Let me tell you. Don't touch me. If not that, let me tell you, if not because of your Wanga sister, what I'll do to you. See all those slap you're slapping me. All those slap you're slapping me, I would have slapped you one by one. Wicked woman. Deadly intruder. Outside! Outside. Outside.
You will lock my gate. I expected someone to be apologizing for not trusting me.
I have always trusted you. It's just that the sight of those people were making me lose my mind. I love you. I love you so much. I love you, baby.
I loved you always. I miss you so much.
I miss you so much, baby. I really do. I love you. I'm really so sorry for not trusting in you, but I do. But I'm just so sorry, please.
Okay. I understand, okay?
Okay. Guess what? I have a surprise for you.
Okay, you know I'm not good at guessing.
I know, but I just want you to guess.
Come on, just tell me, what is it? Tell me, what is it?
Okay. I am pregnant.
Oh my God, are you serious?
Yes, baby.
Really?
Yes, baby. Come on, baby. Like, it's just so sad.
I am sorry.
So you mean all the while that I've been so sick, you couldn't even notice it?
Baby, you know that we've been dealing with a lot. And baby, you know we've been dealing with a lot. I couldn't even notice anything. And I am sorry. I'm so sorry, okay?
It's okay, I forgive you.
Thank you.